video, we're going to be making mini Zen gardens. To begin, you're going to need a container, preferably one with a lid, some stones, some sand, and a little rake. If you don't have a rake, you can make one out of construction paper like I did. I just added a fringe to help move the dirt around. You can also use a paintbrush. We're going to start by adding the sand to our container. In traditional Japanese gardens, the sand represents the water. The stones we add will represent islands. Gently move the container around to coat the bottom with sand. Now, arrange your stones in any pattern you'd like. Once you're done arranging the stones, you can use your rake to make a pattern in the sand. Some people like to swirl the sand around. It's very relaxing. Once you're done with your garden, you can seal it up inside the container to use whenever you need to find your Zen.